Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the chapter Triangle and its properties. Happy to hear about the doubts you had on Saturday. Understood that you are going through your lessons. So today we will be discussing the topic sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Till now we were dealing with angle properties. Today we will have a twist in that we will have the property of the length of the triangles. Let's see what is that. The topic is sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Now here you can see a triangle ABC. So the property says that the sum of any two sides. So which are the sides here? AB, BC and CA. Which are the sides? AB, BC and CA. So the property says if you add the length of any two sides, you will get an answer which is larger than the third side. Okay. Once again, what is the property? When you add the length of two sides of a triangle, that answer will be greater than the third side. Here I have written that a triangle is possible only when the sum of the length of two sides of it is greater than the third side. Symbolically, we will say that AB plus BC should be greater than AC. BC plus AC should be greater than AB. AC plus AB should be greater than BC. If these three conditions are true, the length given to you will be possible to draw a triangle with that measurements. Okay, once again, AB plus BC should be greater than AC. BC plus AC should be greater than AB. AC plus AB should be greater than BC. Remember that, children, all the three conditions should be true. If any two conditions are true and the other one is false, the length given to you will not be required to draw a triangle. Let's see the problems based on this problem. One more is there. The difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. Here we'll see AB minus BC should be smaller than AC. BC minus AC should be smaller than AB. AC minus AB should be smaller than BC. Once again, AB minus BC should be smaller than AC. BC minus AC should be smaller than AB. AC minus AB should be smaller than BC. So you have learned two properties based on the length of two sides of a triangle. One is sum property and the other one is difference property. Now, the first question, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So using the sum property, we will check whether the given measurements is possible to have a triangle with that. The first question is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so what will you check? Check the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Check the sum of, what is sum? Addition. Check the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, I'll take this as side 1, this as side 2 and this as side 3. So I'll do side 1 plus side 2. What is side 1 plus side 2? 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now what happened? Is that greater than the third side? No, it is not greater than the third side. So this measurement will not work with a triangle. Is that clear? So we'll stop it there and we'll say that the triangle is not possible. Why? The sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. Okay. Now next question. The sides are side 1 3 cm, side 2 6 cm, side 3 7 cm. Once again, side 1 3 cm, side 2 6 cm, side 3 7 cm. So we'll do side 1 plus side 2. 3 plus 6. 9. Yes, here the sum is greater than the third side. We'll add the other two sides. 6 plus 7. What is 6 plus 7? It is 13. Yes, 13 is greater than the third side. Now, which two sides are remaining? 3 and 7. 3 plus 7. It's 10. So, which is the third side? 6 is the third side. Is 10 greater than 6? Students, tell me, is 10 greater than 6? Yes. So, whenever you add any two sides, you are getting a number greater than the third one. So, this measurement is possible for a triangle. This measurement is possible for a triangle. Hope you understood the concept. Just add any two numbers and see whether you are getting a number greater than the third one. Here you are using the sum property of the length of triangles. Next type of question. This type of question is very important based on your examination. The length of two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm. Between which two numbers can length of the third side fall? Between which two numbers can length of the third side fall? Okay. Now, two sides are given to you. You have to find the third side. You will not get exactly the measurement, but you will get a range. Students, what is the sum property? That is, if you add these two numbers, the third side will be lesser than this, isn't it? The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. That means the third side should be smaller than 6 plus 8. The third side should be smaller than 6 plus 8. So you got the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 14 centimeter. Using which property? Sum property. Now how will you get the lower limit? You will get the lower limit by applying difference property. Which property? Difference property. What is the difference property? Difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. Students, it is very important for you that you should learn the statement for sum property and difference property by heart. Once again, you should learn the statement of sum property and difference property by heart. Okay? Now, from this difference property, what did you learn? The third side should be greater than 8 minus 6. The third side should be greater than 8 minus 6. So, third side should be greater than 2 centimeter. So, the upper limit is 14 centimeter, lower limit is 2 centimeter. So, what is the final answer? The length of the third side should be any length, any number greater than 2 and lesser than 14. You will have one more example similar to this. Here the numbers are 12 and 15. So, which is the upper limit? Upper limit is 12 plus 15 and lower limit is 15 minus 12. Okay. So, the lower limit is 3 and upper limit is 27. Students, make sure that you write the correct steps for the question. So, today we have learned the properties that deal with the sides of the triangle. One is sum property and the other one is difference property. Two types of question you learned to check whether the measurements given to you, with that can you draw a triangle. The second type was to find the range of measurements which is possible for the third side when two sides are given to you. So make sure that you understand the concepts clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.